Ever wanted a free AI tool that can create PowerPoint presentations within seconds? But every time you search, you end up finding tools with hidden pricing plans or watermarks that make the presentations useless? If that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a powerful AI presentation tool that converts your ideas into fully designed PowerPoint presentations in just a few seconds. The best part is that it offers a free plan that anyone can use, and the presentations come without any watermarks. To get started, open any browser of your choice and search for AI PPT. Click on the website that appears in the search results. You may need to scroll down a bit to find the correct link. Once you open it, you'll be taken directly to the workspace of the website. From here, click on New Project and then select Create from Topic. Enter the topic you want the presentation to be created on and confirm it. The AI will instantly generate an outline for your presentation. You can edit this outline freely and adjust it according to your needs. After finalizing the outline, click on Select Template. This will open a large collection of templates that you can choose from. Once you select your preferred template, click on Generate PPT. The AI will now create the complete presentation for you. Once the presentation is generated, you can edit the slides directly within the interface. When everything looks good, simply click on Download to export the presentation to your computer or share it with others. As you can see, the presentation created by this AI tool looks clean and professional, and it comes without any watermarks. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.